As you know, it's February, and we proudly celebrate Black History Month, a time to recognize the rich history, resilience, and invaluable contributions of African Americans throughout our country. This month, quite frankly, serves as a powerful reminder that progress is achieved through perseverance, unity, and an unwavering commitment to justice. Now, when I think about these three words, perseverance, unity, and justice, especially in times of uncertainty, I'm reminded that these principles are more important than ever. As significant changes unfold at the federal level, we remain vigilant in assessing their potential impact on our school district and steadfast in our commitment to upholding values while supporting every student, family, and staff in PGCPS. Quite frankly, now, more than ever, we must stand firm in our identity, our beliefs, and the guiding values that our school system has. Now, like many of you, we're closely monitoring federal policies on immigration, federal funding, LGBTQ+, and the diversity and inclusion things that we're hearing in the media as well. Now, it's important that our mission stay unchanged, which is to prepare our students to become well-rounded citizens, ready for college, careers, to really make a meaningful impact in our community, our nation, and our world. Now, in recent weeks, we've reaffirmed our support for every family in PGCPS who may be affected by these changes, and we continue to keep you informed. Updates can be found on our website at pgcps.org, and free mental health support remains available for all students through Hazel Health. Now, Black History is a month that teaches us that no challenge is insurmountable, especially when we stand together. The generations before us remind us that progress is just a moment. It's a movement. Let's honor their legacy by continuing to move forward, purpose, dedication, and with unity. Thank you, and happy Black History Month.